So from North Carolina to Florida, major cleanup already underway in the Gulf Coast, and there is so much debris all over the place. Communities picking up the pieces, back-to-back hurricanes. Jonathan Seri's back live in Tampa today. How's it going, Jonathan? Good morning.
Hi, Bill. Good morning. This building I'm standing in front of is the headquarters for Pilgrim Permocoat. You can see the damage here. The owners and staff are back at work. Part of the building is still usable, and they intend to repair the rest of it. But before these black tarps went up, this building looked like a dollhouse. You could look right through it. Take a look at this video shot several days ago. Last week, winds from Hurricane Milton tore away an entire side of the three-story building. It was built, believed to be in the late 1800s, as a cigar factory. It later became the headquarters for Pilgrim Permocoat, a family-owned construction products company that has been there in 4 generations since 1956.
I've been at this building since a little girl, just roller skating around, and I have a lot of fond memories, and it was really hard seeing it like that.
And that's why the family's so determined to repair this building and retain it as their headquarters. On Sunday, President Biden met with first responders in the nearby community of St. Pete Beach, pledging his full support of his administration to help Florida get back on its feet.
This is all a team effort, folks. We made a big difference, and it saved lives. But there's much more to do, and we're going to do everything we can to get power back in your homes, not only helping you recover, but to help you build back stronger.
And Bill, utility crews have restored power to about 3 million homes and businesses. There are still approximately 400,000 customers without electricity, according to poweroutage.us. But utility companies believe they will have nearly all of them back online by close of business Tuesday. Bill?
They would like that and could need it too. Thank you. Nice to see you, Jonathan Seri, today in Tampa. Thanks.
You too.